Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and today I have a bit of an experiment for you guys. Today we're going to make some steak. This is an Angus Premium Choice Beef Sirloin Center Cut, or Sirloin Steak Center Cut. There's actually two of them in here. What we're going to marinate this in, mainly it's going to be probably about a cup of mayo. I'm going to use, I think, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of butter, real butter, tablespoon of honey, maybe a couple shakes of this, maybe about probably a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. How about that? 2 teaspoons. Sorry for my squeaky ass floor. I'm going to put maybe about a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of salt, guess a tablespoon, maybe half a tablespoon. How about that? Half a tablespoon of Southwest hot mustard. We're also going to use probably about half a tablespoon of lime juice, maybe a teaspoon. I think, yeah, a teaspoon sounds a lot better to me. You probably hear my cats. I would say probably for this beer, we're going to use maybe a fourth of a cup of beer. Actually, no, maybe a third of a cup. And that's it. We're going to mix all that together and we're going to marinate it for a couple hours in the refrigerator. Bam! Bam! Splash! Bam! Sprinkle. I actually used a whole tablespoon of the hot mustard. Bam! Bam! Boom! Bubbles. And now stir until it's all smooth. And now dunk your meat until it's all covered, and then let it marinate in your refrigerator for the next 4 hours. Alright, now it's time to cook that meat. We're going to use my cast iron skillet. What you want to do is put this over medium heat and let it heat up for about a minute or two, so that way whenever you throw the meat on, it gets that nice sear. Alright, now let's get down to business. And now throw it into the skillet and let it brown until you get your desired doneness or undoneness. I don't know about you guys, but I like mine kind of pink on the inside. Look at that. That just went through like butter. That was awesome. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I took my shirt off because it is way too hot in here. It's way too hot. I tried it and I like it, but I think it's a little bit too, I don't know, sweet for me. Other people may love it, but to me, you know, the steak itself is real nice and, you know, tender. You could slice right through it. But as for me, I'd like it to be a little bit less, yeah, I guess the word would be sweet. But I am going to continue eating it. I mean, it does taste good, but it's not something that I think I want to pursue again. I don't know what I would leave out. Maybe I would leave out, I don't know, the mustard. Some of you people are going to probably say, oh, the mayonnaise. No, I've had it with just mayonnaise and like garlic and stuff in it, which maybe next time I'll show you guys how to do that. And it turned out great. But as for this, I think I'm going to probably not do it again. But I will eat this steak though. Ooh, it does slice really good. Have a great day, everyone.